Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So first we're going to start off with finding the perfect sticker pictures on Pinterest. So you would just have to search the color name followed by PNG to find pictures with a white background that are very suitable for a sticker. So here I am like searching for black, and then I searched for green and purple as well. So yeah. So first we're going to start off with making our sticker printout. So here I'm just taking a rectangle and I'm going to make it 5 by 14 inches. This is really to put the stickers in such a way that you know what exactly you're printing, like which size you're printing, and not some abnormal size. And then I'm just gonna crop the white background to decent size, and I'm gonna just adjust it in these rectangles. Now you can take a baking sheet and make sure to use the smooth side of the baking sheet so that the sticker peels off easily. Then I'm just going to place down the sticker base, which is going to be the sticky side of the sticker, and I'm just going to put down my plastic tape, and then I'm just going to arrange the paper pieces in a well spaced manner and place the sticker on top of them. And now I'm going to cut it out around, just a bit around the air bubble that it forms, so that the sticker stays put and the paper doesn't just come off. Now I'm gonna make matte stickers using Scotch Magic Tape. The base could really be any type of tape. Just do not use paper tape, as it will not be suitable for this. Once you've cut out all your stickers, your sticker flakes are pretty much ready. Over here I'm sticking them onto a rectangle piece of baking sheet to make my very own sticker sheet. You could just leave them as sticker flakes, or if you want to arrange them like so, you could do that too. I hope this video was helpful and thank you so much for watching. Subscribe!